Hey, what's going on, our Built on the Budget family? This is your boy Built on the Budget, coming to you with another video, another lit video. Hey, I like to say, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, feel free to comment, try to answer all of my comments. And I want to say I appreciate all my new subscribers, the ones that just joined on to this channel. I hope that you find that there's something on my channel that you like and that you'll keep coming back. I want to say thank all of you for watching me and supporting me in everything that I do. Hey, today the video is going to be, by the thumbnail, a cold start to Baby Girl, my 85 C10 LS swap pickup that I'm doing for my daughter, Sergeant McLeod, U.S. military. Hey, so what I'm gonna do is, I just had exhaust put on it. I know the last few videos, you know, I've been doing different things to the truck as far as getting the rust and stuff out of the top, taking some of the ugly, what I call, off the truck. And one of the things that I said I was gonna do was put an exhaust system on it. Been a long time coming, and I just got it done. Today is gonna be the first time, because I had it done yesterday, that I'm gonna hear a cold start on it. So it's gonna be my first time hearing it, not the truck, the exhaust, but a cold start, because it's the next day. So I'm gonna turn this camera around, and then I'm gonna let y'all hear the cold start. And here we go. Now, what you heard is a stock 5.3 LS engine, a 4L60 transmission, 2.5X exhaust with just Flowmasters. I don't even know what the Flowmasters are. I got them out of the junkyard because I'm built on a budget. But they actually sound good. This particular vehicle, I decided to run them and turn them down at the back. I'm gonna do a little more tip work on the exhaust, because as I stated to y'all earlier in another video, I'm gonna be taking that gap out of the rear bumper. I'm gonna tuck the bumper. I said I'm gonna do a tummy tuck on the rear bumper. I'm gonna take some of that gap out of it, And so once I do that, I'm gonna be bringing, you know, hopefully the exhaust is gonna come out right at the bottom edge. I don't really want to see a whole lot of it, but that's gonna be what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can get that bumper tucked today, and if I do, I'll shoot another video one day this week and let y'all see and tell you a little bit about what I done. But I just want to eliminate the gap between here and the body. I'm gonna bring that all in. I think it's gonna look real neat when I do it. The truck don't look bad. It's coming along real good. I have my park lights. They'll be in today. If you see this one here, it's kind of just laid over in there, but I ordered brand new park lights for it. I'm gonna get them in today if they come. And as you can see, I put a new valence on it one day last week. That looks real good. I'm gonna end up putting new headlights. 3 of them work. Both the high beam work. I mean, both the low beam work on the top, but when I turn on the high beam, I only have 3 bulbs burning. So I'm just gonna put new bulbs all the way in it, so they, you know, if you look at them, I got 2 dark ones, 2 light ones. You know, I don't want that. I want them to be clean, a clean look when I do it. But this C10 is actually coming out to be a nice truck. A lot of work been done on this truck. It may not look like it to the naked eye, or to some people that don't really know about building these trucks, but there's been a lot of work and a lot of money. My muffler man, George, he really nailed this exhaust. I mean, if you look, you can't really see nothing. Now, he's gonna make me a custom transmission mount one day next week, cause that old transmission mount that I got on there, it hangs so low, it'll just about hit a speed bump, but it's not correct for my application of what I'm doing. So he gonna make me one day next week, and I'm gonna take, because I put the LS truck engine in and I lowered the truck, my oil pan sits kind of low. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's drivable, but you know, for my daughter, I don't want that, so I'm gonna change to the car oil pan and put it on so it'll pick it up a little bit off the ground. That's gonna be in the future. But my next thing that I'm gonna do is get this old glass out. You know, I don't want the cracked windshield in it, and it leaks right there in that corner, and that's what messed the floor up in the begin with when I had to fix it in the video earlier when I first got the truck. But I already got the windshield, and I have a back glass, because anybody that been following Built on the Budget know that he is not a fan of sliding back glasses. So I already have the solid back glass. I already have the windshield. I just got to order the rubbers to put them in. But yeah, old truck coming along real good. I'm gonna get the old glue off down here. I'm gonna get all of that off across the back, and it'll be a lot easier to get it off the tailgate once I pull that bumper down. But yeah, just wanted to shoot that video, cold start, and I know y'all waiting on it. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and get that done. I ain't even gonna say what it is. Put down in the comments what that is right there. Give you a better angle. If you've been following me, you know what that is. Just wanted to give you that. Give you a couple more. Let's try it from this angle. One day, I'm gonna get me a drone where I can come up like this here and get y'all some overhead shots. Hey, listen, just wanted to shoot a little video this morning. Let y'all know, man, I'm happy with the progress thus far. I'm excited about putting a tag on it, actually getting it on the highway, maybe taking it through town. And you know, in my town, they really accept old stuff. People appreciate it. It don't have to be $100,000 vehicle. It just got to be something that you like, man. Something that you done invested your time and your hard-earned money in. And I've done both concerning this truck, and there's plenty more, both of them, to be done. But like I said, I just wanted to give y'all that cold start. Let me know in the comments what you think about how it sounds. I don't know what it sounds like on camera, but I know it sounds good in real life. Yeah, so today is gonna be one of these days that I'm gonna cut some blocks in this morning. Silver Bullet is out, coming to a city near you. Yeah, it's a bunch of junk sitting around it, but yeah, that's because I had to clean the back of it off. But I finally got all of the junk off of it and out of it. And so I'm gonna cut some blocks on it this morning. And so listen, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, give me a subscription. And just want to say, hey, thanks for watching. To the next time,